I'm Amy, the Urban Mythbuster, and today we're on Eden Road to find out, is there an hole in Hull filled with typewriters? Apparently, a tale is told that when Imperial typewriters, who used to operate out of a factory here, closed down in 1975, they bulldozed all the remaining typewriters and put them in an hole. So I'm back again at the Hull History Centre to speak to the City Archivist Martin Taylor to find out if there's any truth in this urban myth. Martin.
Amy.
Imperial typewriters, Hull, Eden Road, any truth in it?
Imperial Typewriters was founded in 1911, became a very big company with factories in Hull and Leicester. Very successful, and it's even believed that Winston Churchill wrote the Fight Them on the Beaches speech on an Imperial typewriter.
Whoa, yeah, but everything was going well for him. They had no need to bury the stock.
Imperial was bought by Litton Industries, an American company, and from then on Eden Road was used to assemble typewriters from parts shipped in from Connecticut. But with declining sales and a protracted industrial dispute in 1974, Imperial closed the factory in 1975.
When they might have had loads of typewriters that they needed to get rid of.
Absolutely, but it seems that all the remaining stock, a whole ton of typewriters, was sold to the Tytel Typewriter Company and shipped to New York.
So where did this rumour about an hole full of them come from?
Well, during the 1974 industrial dispute, it said that Walt Cunningham, the Hull Docks union boss, threatened to stop shipments to and from the factory by chucking them in the dock. Perhaps the rumour stems from that.
And on that bombshell, we got the truth. There is no hole in East Hull filled with typewriters. Amy Thompson, for Curiosity, at Hull History Centre.